Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Simon from Kommo, formerly known as Ammo CRM, and in today's video, I will introduce you to 6 ready-to-use chatbot templates for online schools. Each template is designed for a specific purpose and can be downloaded and customized to fit with your business needs. Chatbots are little AI helpers that can take care of your routine tasks, including customer communication, retention, sales, status updates, and much more. There's no doubt a nicely done chatbot can save you time, money, and a lot of effort. Now, the best part about a chatbot is that you can use it for almost any type of business. In fact, when it comes to creating a chatbot script, your possibilities are endless. All you need is a visual builder and a little bit of imagination. Let's begin. When we decided to launch our free online course, we had a brilliant idea. Why not conduct the course in a WhatsApp chatbot? Yes, you heard that right. Let me explain it to you a little better. This is how it works. First, when a user contacts you on WhatsApp, you automatically get their number in your contact list. And once you collect multiple numbers, it'll be possible to send mass messages. Second, thanks to the messenger, you can keep the leads engaged by sending them exciting content and promotions every once in a while, reminding them about your business while leading them to make the purchase. Now, when it comes to education, a chatbot can become your irreplaceable helper that's capable of sending automated messages with lessons, which will simplify the learning process and save teachers time. The chatbot can also share useful content, including links, PDF files, your YouTube videos, infographics, and other media files to make the lessons as engaging as possible. It can even send students their homework and answer frequently asked questions, freeing up the time of the course coordinators for more important tasks. Now, you're probably wondering, how does it all work? Let's take a look at the heart of our Kommo CRM solution, the Visual Builder. Here you can see what the chatbot for our free online course looked like in our software after we finished building it. Now, it doesn't look very complicated, does it? But by creating a chatbot with a few simple steps, you can take a lot of work off your shoulders. Go ahead and scan this QR code to try this chatbot firsthand or download it for free from the description below. But don't forget to add missing stages and fields to your pipeline for the bot to work properly. And if you want to launch another bot, all you have to do is write stop. Done? Awesome. Let's check out another way you can implement a chatbot on your online school. Marathon is a short course where you provide your subscribers with portioned information on a topic in which you are already an expert. The theme for the marathon can be anything, and it can include minor tasks, video lessons, and pretty much anything you feel like including. The most important part here is that the topic is eye-catchy and that your audience can somehow benefit from it. Most often, entrepreneurs run marathons to attract a new audience, increase brand awareness, or for other marketing or sales purposes. To create a marathon, you have to establish your target audience first. To do that, you need to research the market to understand existing gaps in the area your business operates. Make sure the content you deliver is suitable and creates value for the audience you are trying to attract. Then you will have to choose your marathon theme. This is pretty straightforward. Just ask your subscribers for the topic they would like you to explore. You can also analyze your posts and get into analytics to see which topics are trending and facilitate the most engagement. Now, during the marathon, you can showcase your case studies, videos, send out educational materials with tasks, or any other creative content that you come up with. However, there are a few more important elements that you need to consider to create a successful marathon. Don't forget to plan. It's best to start by providing a definite timeline of all the activities that will take place during the marathon. Now, this will let your participants know what to expect, and it will help them stay motivated throughout the program. It will also work in your favour if there is some kind of motivation. Motivate your audience to engage in the marathon until the end to receive a discount on the main course, a promo code or a certificate, and so on. Finally, think about the duration of your marathon. The ideal time would be 3 to 4 days. If you make your marathon longer, there is a risk that the audience will lose motivation and drop out. Also, keep in mind that most likely the number of participants will start decreasing, with only the hottest and most interested users reaching the end. Take a look at what our marathon chatbot looks like in the Visual Builder. The flow is pretty simple, but don't let it fool you. It's very effective. To see it for yourself, scan a QR code and test this chatbot on your smartphone. Just don't forget that before implementing your bot, you need to add missing stages and fields to your pipeline for it to work properly. And write stop when you want to launch another bot. With the increasing popularity of online webinars during the pandemic, automating the registration process for participants became essential. If you do your registration process through a chatbot, you'll be able to collect names, phone numbers, emails, and other information you think can be important for the event. You can also send reminders 1 hour or 15 minutes before the event begins. And if you decide to do a live event recording, a chatbot can automatically send it out after the event. Similarly, it can send bonuses and rewards for attending the event and warm up your audience with occasional updates and promotions. The chatbot will of course take care of all of it without wasting your time and money on mass messaging and answering frequently asked questions. This is what the chatbot template for webinars and events looks like in our Visual Builder. It's easily customizable for your business needs, so you can implement it already today. Scan this QR code to try it for yourself. Also, to ensure the template works properly, don't forget to add missing stages and fields to your pipeline. And write stop to launch another bot after the action is completed. The online education market is growing at the rate of 10% each year, which signifies the competitiveness of this segment. To keep your market share, you have to fight for the attention of your target audience. If you don't consistently remind your subscribers about your product and keep them engaged, they can switch to your competitors that provide a more seamless and immersive user experience. So how can you prevent that from happening? Make sure to keep your audience engaged. Send them invitations to the events, reminders and news updates. Share useful content that adds value to your subscribers. Check in with registrants to see if they will be attending an event. Keep your leads warm by sending mass messages, but don't forget, don't overdo it. If you start spamming, it will have the opposite effect from what you're trying to achieve. A chatbot that can automate all these processes can be created in just 5 minutes in our visual editor. It can help you register the leads for the event, share useful materials, and send links to the participants on the day of the event. Imagine that all these actions can be done without any human interaction. Now this is what the structure of this chatbot looks like in our Visual Builder. Once again, it's pretty simple and easy to make. Try this chatbot on your smartphone. Scan the QR code and message the bot. If it's something that can work for your business, download it for free from the description below. Just don't forget that before implementing your bot, you need to add missing stages and fields to your pipeline for it to work properly. And write stop when you want to launch another bot. Now, how do you convince a user to leave contact information? Simple, offer them a useful lead magnet. A lead magnet is a lucrative offer for a user in exchange for contact information. It can be in the form of a checklist, a presentation, a guide, and so on. And you've probably guessed it already, you can use a chatbot to give away your lead magnets. For example, after a webinar or offline event, you can send out checklists, presentations, PDFs, links, and other useful information, or you can offer rewards. Take the course for free or at a discount. This is what the lead magnet chatbot looks like in the visual editor mode. The structure is quite similar to the ones we saw before. If you want to test this bot, go ahead and scan this QR code with your smartphone. But don't forget to add missing stages and fields to your pipeline for the bot to work properly. And if you want to launch another bot, all you have to do is write stop. With the help of interactive quizzes, you can bypass banner blindness and establish a genuine connection with potential leads. Quizzes can be so much more than you think. They're actually quite a handy marketing tool and can help you attract a new audience while also keeping the existing one engaged. But make sure to offer an incentive to motivate the users to complete your quiz. Another great thing about the quiz is that completing it can give your audience a sense of achievement. This will definitely help you enhance the loyalty of your customers. Here are a few tips on how you can use quizzes in chatbots. Make sure to keep your audience engaged with interactive content. run fun polls or quizzes, and give out rewards upon completion. Don't forget to educate your audience. Provide them with quizzes as a course refresher or to test their knowledge of the materials just covered. And of course, you could try to warm up your audience with the quizzes by creating questions that will introduce them to your product, increasing their interest in it and the likelihood of purchasing. Here is a quiz chatbot that we created for you in our visual editor. You can simply log into your Kommo account, customize this chatbot template to fit your needs, add it to your WhatsApp business account, and let it do all the work. You can also take our quiz on your smartphone by scanning this QR code. Also, to ensure the template works properly, don't forget to add missing stages and fields to your pipeline. And write stop to launch another bot after the action is completed. Sending mass messages to your leads on WhatsApp can get you banned in no time. To avoid this, you will need to connect an official business account, WhatsApp Business API. Now, WhatsApp Business API gives access to multiple employees to the chats inside a CRM solution, provides tools to automate mass messaging and connect chatbots. You'll be able to send mass messages to different users with no risk of getting blocked. And yes, it can work for both small and large businesses. But always remember not to spam your audience with dozens of messages in a row. Make your content useful and engaging to keep them interested and craving for more. Only a limited number of intermediaries have been granted access to WhatsApp Business API. In Kommo, you can find integrations with several of them, including Gupshop, Radist, Zenvia, and Twilio. Thanks to these integrations, you can use WhatsApp with Kommo in the most convenient way. Now it's time to learn how to create your first WhatsApp chatbot. Step 1. Watch this video on how to build a chatbot in Kommo. There you'll find a step-by-step guide on designing and integrating your chatbot. Step 2. Give it a try. Use the visual chatbot editor in Kommo for free for 14 days. Register on the Kommo website and create your own chatbot. No programming skills are required. You can also use these chatbot templates for an online school to make the process easier and faster for you. And that's it for today. To download the chatbots covered in this video, please go to the description below. Try them out and let us know what you think. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and a thumbs up so we can create more content just like this. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so yet, and click the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.